If any are still watching, here's the next update on my Jeep WJ. Quick update on the power steering pump on the Jeep WJ. Okay, make things a little easier. These lines, you need to at least make things a little easier for yourself. Loosen these lines before you take this pump off. See, I've got it loose, and this connector here was real tight, and I had to hold it down and use my rubber hammer. Had to hit it pretty hard to break it loose. Be a lot easier if you do that while it's still mounted. That's an experience. Talk to you later. Okay guys, I got it off. Now be prepared, there was residual fluid in the lines, and I still had a little bit in that reservoir. So have something to catch it underneath and somewhere to put this, because it's going to continue to drain. Out for now. Can you hear it? Okay, I'm looking, now this hose here, you see the bad spot in it. That goes from the power steering reservoir to the gearbox down there, and you see it's got a bad spot in it, so I'm going to replace that hose. I think I got some hose here of that size. If not, I'll have to go get some or order some. I'm in no big hurry. I'll probably just order it. But anyway, that's where I am. You see I got a mess here. So I got cleanup work to do. Anyway, guys, that's where I am right now. I'm gonna take a break. Okay, just let you know, this one had 3 bolts in there. I was thinking it had 4, but it only has 3. 3 like this, these long bolts. And I believe those are, when they go back on, are gonna be 27 foot-pounds. I'll have to look that back up. I only got 2 up here. I dropped 1 down there somewhere. I'll have to look for it. But I wanted to let you know that. As you can see, you got 3 bolts. I don't know why I thought it had 4. 3 long bolts. Out. Okay guys, this is my Jeep. It's another quick update, and I'm probably going to go ahead and cut this video short today. I did find a piece of fuel line that I had left over, but it's too big, and I showed a photo of it before, but you can see the different sizes. This is the one on the right that I need. And I have it on order, but it's going to be a couple of days before it gets here. So I'm going to break off the power steering pump for a while. I just have to wait for that hose to get here, and I can get it back installed. What I'll be doing, what I'm going to try to do today is get this oil pump assembled. It's really not much I got to do. But what I've seen on videos, it's a little tough to get that pickup tube installed in the hole in that pump there. So anyway, what I did, and I've tried this with other parts and it seemed to work, and I've seen it on videos for this particular procedure here. I put that pickup tube in a plastic bag and I put it in the freezer. And I just put it in there about 20 minutes ago. So sometime this afternoon, I'm going to try to get this assembled. Hopefully that'll help me, because you got to be careful. You can damage that tube. It may take a little bit of muscle to get that tube inserted in there. Anyway, I've got the tube in the freezer. Hopefully it'll shrink a little bit, because it may take some pressure, good pressure. I've seen some guys put pliers on them and tap them with a rubber hammer, and that's probably what it's going to take to get that in position. and get it down and seated properly so it doesn't leak. So I'm going to go ahead and keep this video short. There'll be a part 2 to the pump and the power steering pump. And I will update you on that with the next video. So the part 2, hopefully part 2 will include both power steering unit and the oil pump assembly. And we'll see how it goes. Out for now. See you on the next update.